Head relaxation techniques. Step 1. Lift and pull the forehead. Step 2. Use thumbs to repeatedly and gently push from the brow center to the brow tail. Step 3. Gently lift and press the Jingming acupoint. Step 4. Soothe the eye area. Step 5. Gently knead the Taiyang acupoint. Be careful not to use too much force. Step 6. Rub both ear auricles with both hands. Step 7. Gently knead both sides of the neck. Step 8. Bring fingers together and gently tap the Baihui acupoint on the top of the head. Step 9. Lift and pull the neck. Step 10. Push the gallbladder meridian with finger knuckles for massage. Have you learned this technique? Today I will teach you how to relax your scapula. First, apply massage oil. Clench your fist and push straight. Put your arm behind your back. Gently support your shoulder with your leg. Find the position of the scapular bone seam. Use both hands to divide and separate outwards. Point press. Pull back and press with your fingers. Repeat each action 10 to 15 times. Then clench your fist and push to strengthen. Make circles to soothe. Finally, drain from the arm. Today I will share a 7-line relaxation technique for the shoulders and neck. The first line, use the pads of our thumbs to push and separate the trapezius muscle outwards. The second line, use the pads of our thumbs to point knead outwards. The third line, push with finger knuckles in a clenched fist. The fourth line, lift and pull our Dasui acupoint area. The fifth line represents our governing vessel. Use the pads of your thumbs to push downwards from the Dasui acupoint area. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. The sixth line is the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine. Use point pressing to unblock it. The seventh line is our left and right scapular areas. You can use one hand to perform a side push. The above are the ways to unblock the 7 lines of our scapula. After finishing, clench your fists and rub your upper back until warm. Then use your finger knuckles to give the trapezius muscle a few more strengthening pushes. Finally, soothe and relax the upper back muscles. Hand relaxation techniques. First, divide and push outwards with the thumb. When dividing and pushing, be aware that our 4 fingers are clasped on the palm. Push outwards with force. Then, pinch the wrist with the thumb. And then rotate the arm to move it. Rotate clockwise like this. Next, interlock both hands 10 fingers. Similarly, use one hand to pinch the wrist, and the other hand to rotate clockwise. Step 2. Hold the palm with one hand. And then divide and push upwards. After pushing, use the web between your thumb and index finger to pinch and knead at the wrist. Pinch and knead alternately and horizontally like this. The final step is to press down on the wrist with our thumb, with the 4 fingers clasped on the palm, and then shake up and down, back and forth. Repeat this 20 to 30 times to relax the arm. You can do abdominal massage at home. Follow me to do it together. Step 1. After applying massage oil to the abdomen, make circles to soothe. Step 2. Open the acupoints, point press, and knead the Shengwan, Zhongwan, Xiaowan, Tianshu, Daheng, Qihai, Guanyuan. Then alternately use the palm heels to soothe the abdomen. Step 3. Clench fists and push the middle abdomen, make circles to soothe the abdomen. Step 4. Use the palm to push the ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon, then drain. Soothe the abdomen. Step 5. Use finger knuckles to make circles around the navel. Make circles to soothe the abdomen. Step 6. Lift and pull the dimeridian. Do each set of actions 8 to 10 times. Have you learned this set of techniques? Waist massage techniques are here. Step 1. Make circles to soothe the waist muscles. Step 2. Point and knead the bladder meridian on the left and right sides of the spine. Step 3. Use our finger pads to straight push the bladder meridian on both sides. Step 4. Straight push the governing vessel in the middle. Be gentle on the spine, don't apply too much pressure. Step 5. Divide and separate outwards along both sides of the spine. Step 6. Clench fists and use finger knuckles to strengthen. Rub the lower back until warm. Finally, soothe and relax the muscles. Inner thigh relaxation techniques. First, apply massage oil evenly. First step, use both thumbs to push straight along the liver meridian. Second step, perform plucking and kneading from bottom to top. Third step, push and knead from the outside to the inside. Fourth step, use both thumbs alternately for plucking and kneading. Fifth step, make a fist and use your knuckles to unblock the liver meridian, from top to bottom. Sixth step, soothe and relax the entire leg. 5-step lower leg relaxation method. Step 1. Push straight down with both thumbs, then pull back from both sides. Step 2. Use both thumbs to separate and push outwards. Gently relax the popliteal fossa. Step 3. Use the fingertip of one finger to pluck and knead upwards. Step 4. Alternately knead horizontally with both hands. Step 5. Alternately pluck and knead with both thumbs. Want a natural way to boost your health without fancy gadgets or expensive appointments? Check out Simple Foot Massage. It's a super accessible home remedy that's been around ages and costs nothing. Massaging your feet isn't just relaxing, it helps your body work better inside out, supporting key functions. Think better digestion and less bloating. Foot massage helps. It also supports healthy blood sugar and gives your liver a detox boost. Furthermore, it's great for kidneys and urinary tract flow, promoting wellness. Trouble sleeping? There's a spot on your feet for that, helping you drift off. For blah days, it can even help regulate hormones, including reproductive health and energy. Sciatic nerve pain? Foot massage can be real comfort. Seriously, it's a whole body tune-up, just using your hands. Easy and free.